In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet call directly from your Gmail. Navigating through these digital tools can sometimes be tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to make this simple and straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently joining your meetings with ease directly from your email. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account and make sure you're logged in. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the Gmail URL or use the Gmail app if you're on your mobile device. If you aren't logged in yet, simply enter your email credentials to proceed. Once you have your Gmail open, take a moment to ensure your inbox is fresh by clicking on the refresh icon, usually located at the top or the side of your inbox interface. This ensures that you're not missing any recent invitations or meeting updates. As you're browsing through your emails, look for one containing the Google Meet invitation. You'll typically find it in a calendar invite or meeting request email. If you're expecting an invitation but can't find it in the main section, try using the search bar at the top. Type in relevant terms like Google Meet or the meeting organizer's name to help locate it more quickly. Once you've located the email, click on it to open and view its details. Within the email details, you should see a link that says Join Meeting prominently displayed. This is your golden ticket to the virtual meeting room. Go ahead and click on this link. If you're using a desktop or laptop, this action will automatically open Google Meet in a new tab. If you're on a mobile device, it might prompt you to choose an app, so select the Google Meet app when prompted. If it's not installed on your device, you may need to download it from the App Store. Once Google Meet opens, you'll be directed to a pre-meeting screen. Here, take a moment to adjust and test your camera and microphone settings. Especially if it's your first time, granting permissions for camera and microphone access might be necessary, so make sure to click Allow when prompted by your browser or device settings. This is also an excellent time to double-check that your audio and video are working correctly. You can do this by seeing yourself and checking the microphone indicator for movement when you speak. When you're all set, and you have confirmed that your equipment is working perfectly, click the Join Now button to enter the meeting. Depending on the meeting settings, you might be placed into a waiting room until the host admits you. Once you're in, say hello and prepare to dive into your discussion. And that's it. You're now in your Google Meet call, ready to engage with your team or friends. With these steps, joining a meeting from Gmail should be smooth and hassle-free every time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy meetings.